Good morning to all students. The topic of today lecture is stereochemistry. First of all, we discuss about definition of stereochemistry. Stereochemistry is a branch of chemistry in which we study the effect of three-dimensional structure of compounds on physical and chemical properties. Uh, First of all, stereochemistry is divided into two parts. Uh, First is called structural isomers and second is called stereoisomers. Here we will discuss the isomers. What are isomers? Different compounds having same molecular formula are called isomers. And the phenomena in which we study about these isomers is called stereochemistry. Stereochemistry is of two types. One is structural or constitutional isomerism and second is called stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism is of five types. First is chain isomerism, second is positional isomerism, third is functional isomerism, fourth is metamerism and fifth is tautomerism. Here we discuss only stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is the isomerism which depends upon the stereochemistry or three-dimensional structure of molecules. Compounds having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but have different three-dimensional structures are called stereoisomers, and the phenomena is called stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is of two types. One is geometrical isomerism and other is configurational isomerism. In geometrical isomerism, compounds having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but having different geometrical structures are called geometrical isomers. Geometrical isomers are generally two types. One is called cis isomer and other is called trans isomer. The required structural requirements for geometrical isomerism are, first of all, they have restricted rotation. Restricted rotation is observed due to two requirements. First is molecule must have carbon-carbon or carbon and other atom double bonds, means molecule must be saturated with double bonds, and second is it may be cyclic. First of all, consider the carbon-carbon double bond case like alkenes, and second structure requirement is the groups attached on terminal double bonds must be different. For example, CH2 double bond CH2. The double bonds, the both carbon double bonds have same hydrogen atoms, so it does not show geometrical isomerism. If you consider case of 1,3, 2,3 no, sorry, 2-butene. In this molecule, the terminal carbon-carbon atoms have two different groups. One is CH3 and other is H. While on the second carbon atom, one group is CH3 and other is H. Then it will show geometrical isomerism. The structure or configuration in which both hydrogen atoms are from the same side of the double bond, it is called cis form, and the other in which both the hydrogen atoms are opposite to each other in space, it is called trans isomers. Thank you.